Okay, ang actual location natin ay nandito tayo ngayon sa napakaganda project ni Dr. Tandok. Okay, good afternoon, Doc, and I'm so much interested to have a ocular inspection of itong very interesting project na you have initiated dito sa Centro West, Ballesteros, Cagayan. And can you give us an idea, yung konting hapyaw lang po about yung project natin, okay?
This
Doc.
is aquaponics.
Aquaponic, yeah.
Yeah, it means that you are producing organic food both from fish, which is your protein diet, and at the same time raising some vegetables.
Okay, so
Raising some vegetables.
it's somewhat like you have to raise vegetables, and this will serve as the
Okay.
feeds. Like
Okay.
this one, ma'am, I was informed that these tiny green
That is
material.
what we call duckweed, and that is what we feed the fish to make them organic. Yeah.
No commercial feeds at all.
No, at this time, because they are still growing, we give 30% feeds and 70% duckweed.
Bigger quantity,
Yeah.
bigger quantity for the duck feed.
Especially when it's ready to be harvested, then we give them pure duckweed so that the taste
Go ahead,
will be
ma'am.
better. Okay, so aquaponics is actually raising fish. You just feed the fish, their excreta will be transferred to the vegetable bed. Yeah. So all these tanks are all fish tanks, and this one will flow to the biofilter down there.
You have your biofilter down there.
Yes,
okay?
the biofilter is
So
there.
from the water coming from this tank,
Will go to the biofilter
And
so that
from there-
the water will be
okay, go ahead.
clear. Look at the water there.
That's our biofilter.
Yes.
Okay.
So from the sump tank, it will be flowing to the vegetable bed. I have also.
How do you keep the water flowing, ma'am?
There is a pump.
Yeah, you have a generated pump.
Yes.
Okay.
So these vegetables will
We have
use
eggplant,
plant.
Then
I have
kamote,
kamote.
yam, yeah,
Yes, I have
tomatoes,
tomatoes.
yeah,
I have beans.
beans,
I have okra,
gabi,
gabi, and
okra and
I just started planting some onions.
onions, yeah.
Yeah, I tried also putting an adenium plant. It's an ornamental plant.
Ornamental plant.
That one,
So you intend that's cabbage.
that is cabbage.
Uh-huh.
Seedlings came from the US.
About the seedlings of this okra, the tomatoes
No, this one are local from
Local.
our DA.
from the Department of Agriculture.
Yeah. I have also a purple tomato, that lone tomato there.
Where is it, ma'am?
This one.
Purple tomato.
Yeah, this purple tomato. I have
The
carrot.
only one you have.
I have 3 more at the back. Yeah.
And you intend to
Propagate.
propagate from this plant, ma'am?
Yes, because that is
Purple tomato.
Yeah.
What's the color of the fruit, ma'am? Purple?
Purple.
Oh, nice.
yes.
Uh-uh.
And it's called an heirloom tomato. Heirloom.
Heirloom.
Means heirloom. HEIRLOOM.
L-O-M.
Yes. And that means that you can propagate the seeds out of the fruit of that one. If it's not an heirloom, it will not give you the same quality as the mother plant.
Okay.
So this is tarragon. It's a kind of herb. Yeah.
Herb
So,
is a medicinal
if it-
plant.
No. Use it to smell.
Oh, how does it smell? Wow.
Yeah. They put that in juice. Yeah. I
It
have-
gives aroma to the juice.
Yes. And this one is my green onion.
You
green.
mean the bulbs, ma'am?
There's no bulb. These are only the
leaves.
leaves. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So we call that the green onion. The seeds also came from the US.
US.
Yeah.
So it's a very nice place. And
And the bed, you see, it's all
stones.
pebbles.
Pebbles, yeah?
Yeah.
Why, ma'am? Why, doc?
so that
There's
the
no soil
water-
on it?
There's no soil.
Ah,
So that the water will circulate freely.
okay.
Yeah.
So
And I
the
don't know-
beds, according to the good doctor, is filled up with pebbles instead of soil.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So
And the
this is
purpose
a
there, doc, is why do we have to use
circulate,
pebbles?
so that
So
the
water
will
would circulate.
freely. Yes.
Mhm.
And there is
How
also
about the roots of these plants?
the roots will
Saan po
grow faster.
naka-anchor?
Diyan sa loob.
I see. So this is something new na makita natin, no? Itong bed na ito, like tulad ng na-mention ng ating doctor, Dr. Tandok, ay, there, pebbles lang, no soil in it.
No soil.
Mhm.
Yeah.
The roots are anchored dun sa
So,
pebbles.
Yeah.
I see.
Now, this one,
And very robust kamote ito.
yeah.
Saan din galing po ito? Yung
Ito lang sa atin.
no. I mean, galing po dito sa bed na ito.
Galing din dyan
Saan
sa
ba
bed.
root?
There,
Oh,
here.
yeah.
Yeah. So you see, there's a lot of roots.
Well, when we study yung plants, we have to fertilize the soil. But this time,
No more
No more.
fertilizing.
Oh.
Because the excreta, as I have said,
coming from this
from
plant.
these tanks will act as the fertilizer. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the reason why it's called aquaponics.
Yes.
Okay.
And this one is
Mm-hmm.
your ebb and tide
Control.
suction.
So,
It's a suction. When it reaches, water will be in this level.
yeah, there's a
There's a level of water, so that when it reaches this one, the level of
Yeah.
that water, it should be on this pipe here.
Mhm.
And then when it reaches that one, when you put this, it will suction, so that the water will not stay in there. Hanga malungsot dyan mo lang. Hindi na, how do I say? It will not flood the plant. You see?
So you can control the amount of water.
Yes.
Good only for the what is needed by the plant.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
No problem of being over flooded or what, or
Overwatered,
and
yes.
that would spoil the plant.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And there is no problem of the plant distance. You see, they are near each other because there is no competition in water and there is no competition in the fertilizer. They have enough.
So you can plant as close as it can
Yes,
be.
Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
The beans, they are already bearing
Yeah.
fruits.
Beans, tomatoes, okra
Okra
together.
together in
Walang
one bed.
competition from
Yeah.
any family of plant
That's right.
na nag-aagawan ng fertilizers or whatever. Okay.
Yeah, that's
So this is a nice idea. Again, this bed is filled up with pebbles, no soils. Okay. Another bed with no soil in it, all pebbles. Okay. And this is now yung
Duckweed.
duckweed na ginagawa nating feed ng ating
Fish.
alagang fish. Okay. And how do you produce this, ma'am?
It just propagates so fast.
Uh-huh.
You see, every day I have to gather to feed the fish, and then the following morning it will be filled up again.
I see. So,
So-
no problem of feeding our fish. Okay.
In this section, I have the bluegills tilapia. The ordinary tilapia that we're eating.
Red.
No. It's the bluegill.
Mm-hmm.
We call that the bluegill.
Bluegill tilapia.
But I have the red tilapia.
Bakit tinawag na
I have it
two-legged?
in my, because
It's there. Dalawang paa.
the purpose.
No. Ito natural na ganyan, Doc?
No. We have to do. I think it's called grafting.
Grafting. Okay,
yes, grafting.
Some kind of propagation wherein ito hindi natural na talagang dalawa yung branches niya pababa.
No, these are my stock mangoes.
Uh-huh.
The ordinary.
Sayon.
Yeah, the ordinary mangoes. Carabao mango, if
Uh-huh.
you call it.
Then,
And then they
From
put
there.
they put another branch that
sa body.
bears fruit all year round.
And it starts to bear flower now. Flower.
They have already
Aha.
fruits in here. See?
I see.
This one.
Layuan ko lang para makuha ko Okay. So, about my height lang ito pero it's bearing fruits na ma'am. A two-legged Mango.
It's a
Wow.
1 year old. This one.
1 year old. Okay.
The purpose of that is because typhoon is very
Frequent.
frequent in our area. That makes it
Fish
disturbing.
pan. Mhm.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
There's another pond.
I hope
Read
we can
my-
catch. Oh, anong kulay nun isa?
Red tilapia.
Red tilapia, okay?
Here.
Yeah, there. Kitang-kita natin sa ating screen. 3 red tilapias.
Marami yan.
Okay, nag-aagawan ng
That is more
inita
than
nating
100. I have more than 100 here.
Ah,
And they're
ang
starting
source po ng ng
water.
tilapia ito. No. The tilapia themselves.
The tilapia,
That's a big
they
one.
have it in Muñoz. In
Muñoz, Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija. They have it in Laguna, but I took mine
From?
from Pudtol, Apayao.
I see.
These are breeding. These are breeding tilapia because I want to propagate this fish too.
Go ahead lang, mama.
And they are starting to have babies here in
I see.
in here. In the pond there.
It would be very nice for other people to come and see and be given some information about
Yeah,
how
I'd be glad to
to
disseminate it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Tulad ng nabanggit nyo kanina, Doc, na this is one of the solutions na pwedeng makatulong to solve yung poverty and
Yes.
whatever problems you have.
Yes.
Katulad ninyo, Doc, hindi na kayo ng problema kung nagtataasan ang presyo ng mga commodities dyan.
That's true.
You have that I have
Right in
with
your
you, and
backyard.
thank you so much for this
Okay.
precious time you have given me, and I do hope I could be of help in the information dissemination that I wanted to. That's why I intended, I really volunteered and invited myself to be here.
My
Thank you so
pleasure.
much. Thank you,
My pleasure.
Doctor.
Ardinatando.
Yeah. This may not be the first time. I'll be coming back for more information.
Sure,
Okay,
sure,
Doc.
by all means.
Nice meeting you, Doc.